Hey guys, Mr. Hanson here on your second virtual Monday. Um, okay, so guys, this week your homework for today is to study your new set of vocabulary words. Um, I have given you a list that will be on the class page, and it will be the same setup as it was last week. If you don't know how to access that, go back and rewatch the video I sent you last week, and it should walk you through how to do all that. I've also given you that word web again that you can do some extra practice to help solidify some of these words in your head a little bit better. As to last week, some of you haven't taken that test with me or quiz with me yet. If you will come visit with me, we can set up a time for you to do that in my class. It could be after school or morning or something. It doesn't take very long. If you happen to not get a very good score on it, instead of allowing you to redo it, I will actually have you go through and create a word web over those words, just so they're a little bit more solidified in your head. So if you didn't study as well the first time, that is your second option to raise your score. And I can talk more about that in class if you guys have questions on that. Also, this week, guys, we are starting our research unit, and I know some of you dread that idea, but I think we, in the English department, have worked really hard to set this up to where it's going to be in chunks. So if you guys are punctual on doing those small steps, that will actually help you get this paper done and done very well. And just another thing to consider as we go into this, some of you might have the idea that I'm going to just do this all the night before and call it good. A large part of your grade, guys, is going through this process. In fact, the whole writing process that we're going to go through is going to be your biggest grade, not just for this unit, but for the whole class. So you will get a grade on your final paper, but the writing process is what's going to count the most. So I know that some of you are probably a well enough writer that you could do a passable paper and even a good paper, you know, a night or two before. But you could have a fantastic paper if you go through the process. And so that's what the grade is for. So I'm just helping you get kind of in the mindset. I will talk about our topic when you come into class on Tuesday, but and I'll have stuff online posted for all that. So that's just a few things to look forward to, guys. Thanks. I hope you're having a lovely Monday and that you're getting through your stuff. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write me or, yeah. All right. Thanks, guys.